in this class spell this for me? Yes. Look at this. Is he sleeping? Wake up. Wake up. Stand up and spell this for me. Spell this for me. Yes. Sit down. It's like this.
Hamza.
Yes.
Hamza. E-U-G-E-N-E. Eugene.
That's beautiful. Clap for him. Beautiful. Clap for him. E-U-G-E-N-E. Pronounced Eugene. Now. Can someone spell this for me? Yes, please.
E-U-C-H-A-R-I-A. Eukarya.
That's correct. Clap for him. E-U-C-H-A-R-I-A. Pronounced Eukarya, not Eukarya.
Igbo, Aduman, Iyabu. Ucharia, o le bi wo ke ba. Ucharia. Aba na wo ke kokori ada. O na duru ha wo ni se.
Oral English. Say oral English. Oral English. This is Eukarya. Say Eukarya. Eukarya. Not Eucharia. Say Eukarya. Eukarya. That's fine. Okay. Can someone spell this for me? Number 4. This one. Yes. From the back in there. Quiet class. And your hand down. Class, can someone spell this? Can you spell this? And you? Yes.
I-R-E-N-E.
That's correct. Quiet, my class. Clap for him. I-R-E-N-E. Is I-R-E, not Irene, please. Clap for him. That's fine. Listen to me. Stand up and spell this for me. You again. Spell on card. No. If I need it, yes. Can be good now, power. Even boy bravo say. C E. Quiet, my class. Come on, look at me. Go. Set. Oh, enough. Go. Anyone in this class? Yes. This last one. Yes.
S-Y-N-A-G-O-G-U-E. Synagogue.
That's correct. Clap for me. S-Y-N-A-G-O-G-U-E. It's pronounced synagogue. Everyone say synagogue. Synagogue. Not synagogue.
Ikpe a ga na-akpọzi gị synagogue.